And so, there are people who are orphans, whose parents left them at a young age. And they're traumatized because they think that their parents didn't want them, that something happened and they left them, and they feel abandoned. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam was like this. He grew up without a father, without a mother, and then his uncle died, and then his grandfather. He went through, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, everyone in his life left him and to be with in the hereafter. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is overwhelmed with this deep feeling. It's something deep buried in somebody who has lost a father or a mother, who's gone through this pain of loss. It's something buried deep. You don't know it's there, but it's there. Right? And so what happened? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى. You don't feel abandoned. Your Lord, He didn't abandon you. Allah, He didn't abandon you. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى. What's coming for you is much better for you than what has passed, what has preceded it. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reconciling and He's calming and He's consoling the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You have not been abandoned. And the fear that we have, all of us, is we've been abandoned. If you felt a loved one leave this world, you feel like you've been abandoned. But at a deeper level, we feel like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has abandoned us. And this is nothing but waswasa. This is nothing but waswasa. It's ungrounded fears. And so for us believers, we are trying to rekindle that connection. We're trying to come back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and realize that even the body dies. Even the body dies. The soul that's within you does not die.